How to create free landing page using Google Sites. In this video, I will show you how to create a free landing page using Google Sites. If you want to access Google Sites, you can go ahead and open up your Google Drive, navigate to New, click on More, and select Google Sites. It will take you to the app. Or you can use the easy way by just typing Google Sites in your browser and clicking the first link. Inside our Google site, we have a lot of different types of templates available to create a website or a landing page. Today, I'm creating a simple landing page using Google Sites. So we'll start from the blank. So this is the inside of our Google website builder. It gives us a lot of different tools and options to create a professional website or a landing page. So you can see this is going to be my header, and the website is right now, there's nothing here because we're starting from the scratch. At this side of the screen, you will be able to find insert option that will give you a text box, images, embed, content blocks where from I can choose different buttons and dividers, spacers, videos to add to my website. Then we have pages right here where I will be able to create more than one page for my website. Because we're creating a landing page, I will be just going with one page today. And then we have themes where I can select the theme of my website. So that's the first step that you need to do. We can also change the color of our theme if we like. So maybe I want darker colors, so I can use this one. If I wanted to go with a little funky, then I can go with yellow. Now let's move on to the insert option, and here we will be able to add different types of elements to our landing page. Let's give our website a name. In order to enter the text, you just select right here, which is the header, and then we can enter the name. Let's say I'm creating a website for a marketing agency. Now let's go ahead and change the background image right here, and we can also change the header type. Large banner, title only, or a cover as well. I'm gonna go with this one, which is a banner type. Click on change image right here. You can upload an image from your computer or select image from the image library available. So I have added my background image right here. We can also add a logo here. So click on add logo and you will upload your website logo right here. And then we also have a navigation bar, which will allow me to actually create different menus. So you can just click right here on the title and it will allow you to add a logo. For now, I'm not gonna upload any logo. It's right, in order to change like any text that you have added to your website, all you need to do is you can just select the text. After that, you will be able to change the style, color, alignment, and font as well. So for me, I'm gonna go ahead and change the text color. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep the white color, I guess. Okay, perfect. In order to insert an element, you're going to navigate to this part of your window, and now we can add different blocks. We have a text box that I can add, or I can add a content block, which will allow me to add an image or more than one image or an image or a text. So I'm going to go with a text box first. So you're going to just click on it and it will be added right here. Or I can go with a content block and add it as well. So it will be added just like this. And you will enter your text here. We can insert any type of image from our computer, or we can select an image from our drive. Once the image is added, now we can move on to the next section here. Of course, you will enter your text, your about us. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a divider. So you're going to just select the divider and it will be added here. It will be the color of the divider kind of like matches with the theme that I have selected, and delete this section. So in order to delete any section that you have added, you can just click on it and click on remove. It will be removed from your website. Let's add another divider in between my banner and this section right here. So what you can do is you can select it and you can add the divider. So you're gonna just drag and drop. That's the option is available. And you're going to drag and drop it wherever you want it to be. And then we also have a spacer. So I added some space between my banner and my content. Then we have a table of content. We have image cursors, buttons, dividers, spacers, social link, YouTube, calendar, map. Let's go ahead and enter a map for the agency that we run. So I want to add a location here. So this is what makes Google Sites unique. Because it's by Google, we can actually insert Google Maps, we can insert Google Sheets, then Google Forms, charts very easily into our websites because we're working with Google Sites. It will select the location for you. You're just going to click on select and the map will be added here. So I can now move it in the center. So this is my map. I can move it right here in the center. Now let's say that I actually wanted, so now my map has been added. I'm gonna go ahead and add another divider because it kind of like works well for the aesthetic of your website. Add a text box. So let's do that. So here we're gonna insert a simple text, and you can just enter whatever you want to type. And then we can add buttons and social links. So I'm gonna go ahead and add another content block from here. So we have added this. Now let's go ahead and add a button to our website and click on it. So the button will be added. First of all, you have to give your button a name, contact us form. Now keep in mind, because I'm using Google Forms, I can actually go ahead and embed the whole form onto my website as a separate page if I want to. But for my landing page, I'm just going to add a button that will take my customers, my visitors, that will take my customers, subscribers, or visitors to my contact form. And you can also add a link to any kind of website, any kind of channel, whatever link you want to go for. So here I'm going to quickly go to my contact form. This is the contact form that I created for my website. And I'm just going to go ahead and get the link for it, copy the link and paste it right here. So it will be added into my button. Click on insert and the button will be added. So the button says contact us. Click on add it and actually change the link again if I want to, or update anything. Similarly, we can select the type of button we want to go for. We have like outlined, we have text, or we have filled. So I'm going to go with a filled one. If you have filled, you can actually go ahead and change the color at the end right here to kind of like separate. So now we can add the social links. I'm going to click on social links and we will enter the social links right here. You can enter any kind of social link. And then we can add our footer. So click on add footer and it will be added here. In our footer, we're just going to go ahead and enter our website name or our contact, and we can also add our social links really quickly. So once your landing page is ready, you can go ahead and publish it. For that, you will find the publish option right here at the top. Click on publish and you will be able to publish your website with your own web address. You can also get a custom domain if you like, and you will also get your search settings. Similarly, if you want to share your website, click on share with others and you will be able to share your website with your team, or you can share it through your Google Drive. If you want to get a preview, click on the preview and it will give you a preview of your website on a desktop view. This is what the page looks like. And then it will also give you a mobile view if you like. And this is how you can go ahead and create a free landing page with Google Sites.